Hi everybody, I'm Lorna. I'm back and we are here with our second bump box. I'm 30 weeks pregnant and I'm excited to see what I got. Again, I've got my little card that tells me everything I got and how much it all cost. And this box is worth $57.81. First out of the box, closet organizers, so that I can arrange my kids' clothes in their closet. And they have little elephants on them, which is perfect because I think aside from lizards, we're going with elephants for decor. Oh, newborn baby laundry detergent pods. Safe for baby skin. That's great. Charcoal and organic face and body soap. Activated charcoal and organic coconut oil. Okay, I've got, coconut and vitamin D sunshine mask for your eyes. That'll be really nice. And last but not least, the belly sticker book. So this is a book of all of like your baby's, see, like 10 months and 1 year. My first Valentine's Day. And you just put it on their tummy and you take your picture and you put it on Facebook like everybody else. Happy Mother's Day. So the first thing that I noticed is that there are far fewer products that are specifically for me in this box. I've got the eye mask and the soap, which are definitely for me, which I'm very excited to have. But these other things are geared more towards baby, which is fine because they sort of let me know that that's what they would do as we got closer and closer to baby's arrival. I'm very excited about the laundry detergent. We plan to do cloth diapers, and my friends that have done cloth diapers emphasized getting a very gentle detergent. And I trust that Bump Box is gonna send me the right kind of stuff. You know, I hadn't really thought about closet organization. I hadn't really thought about hanging the baby's clothes up at all, to be honest, but little tiny hangers and little bitty clothes hanging from a closet. I mean, well, now I'm excited to do it, but, and then this sticker book, this will be fun. A lot of my friends do the baby first month by month pictures and everything, and I want pizza. We're also gonna try to do baby-led weaning, so they might get pizza before they know it. This is great. I think this is gonna be really fun. BumpBox has been a really good resource. They send me weekly emails updating me on things that are going, like when I'm 29 weeks, they sent me an email about what's going on at 29 weeks. And at 30 weeks, they sent me an email that's what's going on at 30 weeks. And and that helps me stay involved. I'm reading books and whatnot, but it's nice to just get a little email blurb about what's going on. And I'm really pleased with this box. Well guys, again, this is my second bump box. I'm very pleased with what I got. If you're interested in trying bump boxes, there's a referral link in the video description so you can try it out. And I'm Lorna, and thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.